Hi guys, in front of me is OPPO Reno 8T, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and style. And now select wallpapers. So now you have to pick the picture that you want to apply as your wallpaper. Let me choose, for example, this one. Then obviously you can go through all the pictures if you want. And let me pick, for example, this one. Click on apply then, and finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And I will pick this third option. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see, it has been applied, and now this new wallpaper is covering both your home and also lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.